Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete a WhatsApp group permanently to remove it from your chat list and server, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and navigate to the Chats tab where all your conversations and groups are listed. Step 2. Find the group you want to delete and tap on it to open the group chat. Make sure you're certain about deleting this group as the action cannot be undone. Step 3. If you're not the group admin, you'll first need to exit the group. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group info page. Step 4. Scroll down and tap Exit Group. If you're a regular member, confirm your decision when prompted. If you're the admin, you'll need to remove all other participants first or assign a new admin. Step 5. As a group admin, open the group info page and scroll to the participants list. Remove each member one by tapping on their name and selecting Remove from Group. Step 6. After removing all participants, exit the group yourself by scrolling down and tapping Exit Group. You'll remain as the only member temporarily. Step 7. Go back to your Chats tab and find the now empty group. Long press on the group name to select it and reveal additional options at the top of the screen. Step 8. Tap the Delete or Trash icon at the top of the screen. Select Delete Group to permanently remove the group from your device and WhatsApp's servers. This action cannot be reversed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.